don't play it no more. But I remember a time in 1984, or maybe 85. He sang the Salvation Army band played, the children drank lemonade, and the morning lasted all day. But the bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. Now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. The bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. Now we were blessed like spiders from Mars, they say. They say. They say. Okay. And he never would have waved goodbye. You could see it written through his eyes as the train rolled out a side of the station. And through an open window came, like Sinatra in her younger days, pushing the clouds away, away. But the bitters came on better on a stolen guitar, and now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. The bitters came on better on a stolen guitar, and now we were blessed like spiders from Mars, they say. They say. They say. Okay. And in winter 1963, it felt like the world would freeze. John F. Kennedy and the Beatles and the Beatles. Yeah. Okay, let's see what that sounds like. Miigwech GOFUNDME. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening to our song. If you like the show, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Ho! I don't know. What are you doing? Sweetie, could you do me a favor? I'd be happy to. What would you like me to do? Would you teleport me down to the holodeck? Sure. All right. And let's see now. To the holodeck. Okay, and let me scan for your coordinates. I'm just sitting right here. Yeah, I know. Okay. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. No. Here we go. BOOZHOO, computer. Boop, boop, boop. Ladies and gentlemen, computer. Computer. Boop, boop, boop. Please run snowy porch simulation outdoor thingy. Boop, boop. Beep. Oh. Okay, this works too. Boop, boop, boop. I thought I was going to be sitting on the porch, but I'm out in the woods. It's not even snowing out here or raining.